Sarah studied for 4 years. She practiced every day. She knew every procedure, every word, every rule. But standing outside this door, her hands would not stop shaking.
That morning, Sarah woke up at 5:30. She had set 3 alarms. She did not need any of them. She had not really slept.
Okay, Sarah. This is it. This is what it was for.
The hospital was bigger than she remembered from training. Everything moved faster. Everyone seemed to know exactly what to do, except Sara.
Sara Chen, new nurse?
Yes, that is me. First day. I am ready.
You look terrified. Good. Terrified nurses pay attention. Room 4, Mrs. Park. Post-surgery, monitoring only. Mr. Thomas, he is difficult.
Difficult how?
You will see. Keep up.
Room 8. Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas. Her first real patient. She opened the door. Good morning, Mr. Thomas. My name is Sara. I am your nurse today.
I know what a nurse is.
I just need to check your blood pressure and...
I had my blood pressure checked an hour ago.
I know. I need to check it again.
Fine. Do what you need to do. Just do not talk.
Oh, I am so sorry. Get a cloth.
Not a catastrophe.
I am sorry. That was clumsy. I promise I am not usually...
You are new. I can tell.
Yes. Today is my first day.
First day. And they give you me. Congratulations.
Do you have any pain right now? Discomfort?
Nothing you can fix. You can go.
How was room 8?
He told me to go. Honestly, and I knocked over his water.
He told Nurse Kim to leave 4 times yesterday. You lasted longer. Keep going.
The other patients were easier.
Thank you.
Mrs. Park said thank you. Please, Mr. Lee said please. Sarah's hands stopped shaking. Almost. At lunch, Sara wrote in her notebook. She wrote, Room 8, difficult, angry, does not want help, but he is in a hospital, so he needs it.
First day?
Is it that obvious?
You are eating alone with a notebook.
That is either a first-day nurse or a very dedicated one. Something...
His wife died 3 weeks ago. 47 years together. He came to hospital 4 days after she died.
Nobody told me that.
Nobody knows how to bring it up. He does not make it easy.
He is not angry. He is sad. And he does not know what to do with it.
That is a good first day observation, Sara. He takes his coffee. Good luck this afternoon.
I already had my afternoon checks.
I know. I am not here for that.
What are you doing?
I have 5 minutes. Is that okay?
Do whatever you want. It is your hospital.
They sat like that for 3 minutes. Sara did not say anything. Neither did Mr. Thomas. But something in the room changed.
She would have hated hospitals. My wife. She always said, hospitals smell like waiting.
What was her name?
Margaret. We called her Maggie. 47 years. What to watch, which way to drive. I would give everything to argue about those things again. Everything.
"47 years is a whole life together."
Yes, it is. Why did you come back this afternoon? You did not need to.
I wanted to. I am a nurse. Nurses do not only check monitors. At least I do not want to only check monitors.
We were married for 47 years, and I never once told her how much men of my generation.
We were not good at saying things. Did she know?
I think she knew. I hope she knew. After 47 years, she knew.
After 47 years?
Sara, when you are ready, Mrs. Park in room 4 needs her afternoon medication.
1 minute.
1 minute.
I will come back this evening for your final checks. And if you want to talk, I will come back for that too.
You were not as bad as I expected.
Thank you, Mr. Thomas.
How long were you in there? 20 minutes.
I know it was 20 minutes is not too long.
Not too long. Not for that room. The monitors tell you what is wrong with the body. The patient tells you what is wrong with the
He talked
person.
about his wife. She died 3 weeks ago.
I know. He has not said her name to...
That afternoon, Sara learned something that was not in any of her nursing textbooks. The most important thing a nurse carries is not the clipboard. It is the ability to stay.
Evening checks. And I promise not to knock over anything this time.
That was a low bar you set for yourself. Why did you become a nurse?
My grandmother. She was sick for a long time. The nurses who came just checked the machine. One of them stayed. Trying. Today I knocked over your water and checked your blood pressure twice.
The one who stayed. That is what you are trying to be.
Yes.
You did. Tomorrow. If you are here tomorrow, would you come back? In the afternoon? Not for the checks, just...
Yes, Mr. Thomas. I will come back.
At the end of her first day, Sara stood outside room 8 and looked at her hands. They were not shaking anymore.
Sara, first days are hard.
Yes.
You stayed in room 8 for 20 minutes when you did not have to. That is what makes someone a good nurse, not the certificate. Same time tomorrow.
At 6:47 in the evening, Sara walked out of the hospital for the first time as a real nurse. She was exhausted. She was certain, both at the same time.
On the bus home, she did not write anything. She just looked at the city and thought about a man named Thomas and a woman named Maggie and 47 years of small arguments.
Mom, it is me. I just finished my first day. It was hard. And it was the most important day I have ever had. Both things.
That evening, Sara wrote in her notebook. One sentence. She underlined it twice.
Stay, even when it is hard. Especially when it is hard. She had a room where she had knocked over a cup of water and sat in a chair by the window and listened.
You came back.
I said I would. Good morning, Mr. Thomas. Good morning, Maggie.
She would have liked you. She liked people who stayed. Your blood pressure machine is very loud.
I know. I will try to arrange a quieter one.
Do not bother. I am getting used to it.
Nurse Helen had worked in this hospital for 24 years. She had seen many first days. Sara's was not the most dramatic, it was not the most perfect, but it was one of the most important.
Comment below. Have you ever had a first day that scared you? What happened? I want to know. And subscribe for more slow English stories.
Her hands did not shake anymore. Not because the hospital got easier, because she understood why she was there. She was there to stay. That was enough.